Hey guys, it's Gene Abston again with BikerTV.org, coming to you live from Florence, South Carolina at the Pee Dee Motorcycle Classic. We're here to check out and see what they've got going on. This is a motorcycle show that Myrtle Beach Bike Week and Sonny Productions LLC puts on every year.
Hey guys, this is Right Off 20 with BikerTV.org. I'm Bobby. We're a small band from Lamar, South Carolina, pretty much original Southern rock and roll music. This is the second year we've been doing this for Sonny Productions. Sonny's been real good to us and all the local bands, trying to set up shows and get us at a larger venue.
I know that he's got a ride 2013 starting, Myrtle Beach Bike Week again in Sonny Productions. Find us at BikerTV.org or MyrtleBeachBikeWeek.com to find out the details on the ride 2013.